Changing the date on a blog post or Squarespace is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing I'd like you to do is sign into your Squarespace account. Once you're signed in, I want you to enter the website of which you want to change the blog date for. Once you're into the website, this is what your dashboard should look like. Now, under the dashboard, you're going to go to the left side and you're going to click on website. On the website, you're going to click on pages. Now you're going to find the page that has your blogs, the blog post. You're going to find the page that has it. And once you click on that page, it's going to list down all the blogs that you have at the bottom where it says blog overview. Now you're going to highlight over the blog that you want to change the date for. Once you hover over it, you're going to see these three dots. You click on these three dots and then you go to settings. Now on the settings, you're going to go to options, and on the options you're going to go to status. Now this is where you change the date for the blog post. You can either choose to push it to a forward date, or you can choose to backdate it. And once you set the date, you can set the time also for it, and you can change the time to any time that you want. Now once you change the date and the time, you're going to have to come to the top here and you're going to click save. And as you can see, our date has changed and it's moved to the bottom. Now that's how you change the date on blog post on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.